my lovelies, it's Jackie and Jackie's Cooking. And baby, today I'm going to show you how to take that tomato sauce that you got lined up in that cabinet and how to spruce it up and make a delicious meal. So we're just going to make some delicious spaghetti sauce with beef sausage over some nice spaghetti, okay? It's simple, it's economical. Let's try it out. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell so you can get weekly updates on all my recipes. So guys, we got some chopped onion. We have some garlic, gotta have the garlic. Some tomato paste. Some diced tomatoes, right from the can. Okay, we have some beef smoked sausage. I have some green seasoning, which I'm going to show you guys how to do, by the way, so hold on for that. And we have some good old regular tomato sauce. I got the meat flavor. We got some pepper. We got some paprika. Some seasoning salt. Of course, some oil. We have some sazon, some Italian herbs, Italian seasonings, any of your choice, some grated parmesan cheese. We have some spaghetti and some sugar. And some regular white table salt. Okay, so guys, we are going to first start by chopping our garlic. And guys, I have a video coming on how to make that delicious green seasoning I've been talking about so much. Okay, and you're going to see how useful that is in all your cooking. So we're going to chop our delicious garlic. I cannot live without garlic. I don't know how anybody does it. So we got that. Then we got some delicious beef sausage. Okay, this is nice and small. You can use anything you want, okay? The reason why I'm teaching you guys how to take a jar of spaghetti sauce and you could spruce it up, because sometimes that regular tomato sauce may not be up to our par, but I'm just showing you how to spruce it up, okay? We're gonna cut up some beef sausage. You can add some chicken that you probably have left over. You could put ground beef, turkey sausage, chicken sausage, whatever you like, okay? And what's so good about tomato sauce is that you could freeze it for later use, okay? So we are going to take our nice hot pot and we are going to add our oil. Nice and hot. Okay, let's do an onion there just to test it. We're gonna add our onion to the pot. I love to hear that sizzle of onions and garlic hitting the pot with that nice hot oil and that fragrance, that aroma. It's music to my ears, okay? So we're gonna saute that. Okay, and again, guys, like I said, if you have a larger family, you can always double this recipe. You could alter it. You could add probably some leftover chicken to it. You could add some sausage, turkey sausage, chicken sausage. We're adding our garlic now. Okay, anything you want. The goal is that the fact that this is economical. Okay, and times are hard right now. You know, you got people with this whole stuff going on. People are losing their jobs. People out here, we want to be able to feed a family on a budget. And making large pots of tomato sauce or spaghetti meals are so economical, and it will feed a lot of people. Okay, and all you need is a few ingredients. So basically, I'm just showing you guys how to spruce it up. Okay, because sometimes that tomato sauce, some of it's not all that, but we just buy sometimes the one that's cheaper price, and we could always spruce it up, okay? So now we're just sauteing our garlic and onions. Okay, that fragrance is absolutely superb. It's divine. I love it. Okay. Okay, guys. So, we're going to add our green seasoning, and like I promised, I have a video that I'm going to post on how to make some green seasoning, okay, which to me is the basis of all cooking. It just adds everything, especially in the Caribbean household, okay. So we're going to saute that, and that just adds another layer of flavor. The aroma is impeccable. Okay, so we got that nice and sauteed, and everything we're doing here is on medium heat. Okay, so we're going to add our sausage, and we're going to saute that beautiful sausage, okay, in our onion, garlic, green seasonings with the oil. Oh my God. Just took one, I had to taste it. You know, a lot of these sausages are somewhat pre-cooked, but my greedy self couldn't help it. Okay, we just want to, I'm creating a marriage up in here, a dance, you know, everything is just getting together, sauteing all the flavors together. Okay, so now I'm going to add my tomato paste, and we're going to actually fry that tomato paste. Okay, for some reason it not only, it intensifies the natural flavors of the tomato paste. Okay, so we want to saute that as well, okay? Well, not saute, we're frying the tomato sauce in the oil. I mean the tomato paste, I'm sorry. So it's like we're building our flavors right now, as you can see. Okay, so now we're going to add our Italian seasonings. I got some bay leaf up in here, some oregano, but whatever Italian seasonings you may add to your liking. Again, this is something you can alter to your liking, okay? I'm adding my sazon. I'm just giving you the basics so you can get ideas and learn how to spruce stuff up. Okay, so we're just again adding and building flavors now. Okay, I'm adding my black pepper. You can add as much or as less as you want to your liking. And guys, again, if I didn't mention, this is a recipe that you could double up or triple depending on how big your family is. I'm adding the paprika. You could make this and you could store it. Make them in batches, put them in containers in the freezer, and you could serve this over rice. You might want to make some baked ziti or any other dish using a tomato base. Okay, we're adding our diced tomatoes from the can. The ingredients, guys, will be listed in the description box below. Now we're adding our tomato sauce. Okay, I got this from Aldi's. Aldi's is pretty a good place to go to get a lot of stuff. Like I paid 85 cents for a jar of tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce. So it's you know, and it's good, but I wanted to add my own zing to it. We're just stirring that. Okay, well, you got to taste your food as you go. You know, I'm just tasting the flavors and so forth. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press that notification bell for weekly updates on all of my recipes, okay? And don't forget to like and share. So now I'm adding some sugar. And the reason for the sugar, guys, is that the sugar balances the acidity in the tomato sauce. Because remember, we're using diced tomatoes, we're using tomato paste, and tomato sauce from the jar. So that's a lot of acidity. So the sugar just helps balance it out, okay? So I'll give you a basic amount of what you should add, but you could add as less. Maybe if you like it really, really twangy, you could do that. Okay, I added a little more black pepper, again, to your liking. Cover it and let that simmer for a bit. Okay, so that was about 10 minutes later, okay, on medium to low heat. Now I'm testing again, and mind you guys, as this is cooking down, the flavors are going to intensify, okay? So you don't want to add too much salt in the beginning because you could always adjust the flavors. If you add too much salt in the beginning and it starts concentrating, it's going to be very hard for you to take that saltiness out, okay? So I added a little bit more sugar. Still too twangy for me, and I'm cleaning as I go because I like a clean kitchen while I cook. Okay, we're just stirring that, and we're tasting our flavors, and I'm just covering the pot again. Okay, and then that cooks. So in the meantime, guys, I'm getting my pot ready with water so I could get my pasta going. Okay, and I'm gonna salt my water because you want to salt your water so it can taste like they say, like the sea. Okay, so you wanna add enough salt in your pasta. I'm gonna add a little oil to the water because I don't want my pasta to stick together. The oil will just help prevent it from sticking together. And we're gonna put that on high, let our water boil, and then we are going to start adding our pasta, okay? Whatever you want to use. You want to use spaghetti, you might want to use linguine, you might want to just do penne, whatever, elbow macaroni, whatever is your liking, okay? So we're adding our pasta, and I'm just trying to work it in there, into that water. Okay, and the goal is to keep turning your pasta, okay? Keep turning your pasta, you know, here and there, okay? And I'll usually let this cook depending. I like it somewhat al dente. I don't like mushy pasta, So this will usually be about 8 minutes, okay? And once you take it out, it's gonna continue cooking anyway for a little bit. Okay, just keep stirring that. Still working it with that spoon, guys. Again, just keep stirring that pasta. Okay? It's not difficult, pretty easy to do. Okay? So our pasta is getting where we want it to be, and we're just testing. I'm just testing to see where I want it, as you can see right here. Okay, and now we're going to drain our pasta. Okay, and I like to add a little bit of butter. Okay, just a little bit of butter and into my noodles. It just adds that extra flavor. Okay, some people just like to add butter to their noodles and eat it like that, and it's really good. But I just like to add it. Just adds an extra zing. Okay, just a little bit. That's all you need. A little pat of butter. And guys, just follow these steps, and you know, as you get the hang of it, you could again alter the recipe to your liking. Sometimes you might just have what you have, use what you have in your house to create meals. Okay, that's what it's about, especially with this video. It's about using what we have to make superb meals. Okay, and now we have our sauce. As you can see, it reduced nicely. Got nice and thick. Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I had some of this too, not only with spaghetti, but I had some left over. Had it over with some rice. Absolutely delicious. And be careful, guys, because this sauce will pop on you, especially on this heat. And I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. I like to add Parmesan cheese to my sauce, okay? Adds that extra little zing to it. Okay, and it saves time when you make this in batches. A little bit more black pepper for me. Again, you can add as much or as little as you desire. Clean my oven as we go. Okay. Once this tomato sauce gets really thick, it starts popping, and it'll probably pop on you, so just be cautious. Because hot tomato sauce don't feel good. It really doesn't. Okay, so we're going to start plating, adding our pasta. We're going to dress it up, guys, so we can see what we have. Adding our little grated Parmesan, okay, that got from the store. It's not fresh, but it's that one you get in that little plastic bottle-like thingy. Okay, and it's delicious. Try this recipe, guys. Take that bite. Look at that.